Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all will be fine. So, today we are going to discuss about the components of food. Already, we have seen what is food, anything or a substance or a mixture for the purpose of eating, use for the maintenance of growth and development of body. It is called as a food. So, we have seen the definition of food. Along with that, we have seen the ingredients. So, what are ingredients? Any substances that is used to make a particular dish, it is called as an ingredient. Okay, so now we will turn to the components of food. So what is this components of food? So these components of foods are nothing but the nutrients. They are the nutrients. So the ingredients contain some components that are needed by our body. These components are called as nutrients. These components are called as nutrients. Okay, when we look into this picture, you can see all the things: milk, fruit juice, fish, egg, cheese, curd, cucumber, carrot, bread, grapes. These all are the food items which contain nutrients. And already we have seen the five types of components of food. That is, first one we have seen about the carbohydrates. Now we revise, what is carbohydrates? Yes, carbohydrates are the nutrients which provides energy to the body. And see, you can see in this, the fruits contains carbohydrates. Again, what contain carbohydrates? Potato contains carbohydrates. So the energy provided by the carbohydrates. Secondly, we will turn to the fats. So what are fats? I told you they helps to keep the body warm. And in this, the milk, you can see the milk. Yes, cheese, ghee, this all provides fats. Okay, they contains fat. Thirdly, we will turn to the proteins. So these proteins are the bodybuildings. I told you, the wrestlers, the bodybuilders use these proteins to maintain their body, essential for the growth and muscles building. And the things is the proteins contain in which items? Yes, chicken, fish, eggs, milk, all it contains proteins. Then lastly we will turn towards the vitamins and minerals. So these vitamins and minerals play a vital role in this all these components of food. The function is that needed in small amount for normal functioning of body. They are needed in a small amount for the normal functioning of body and helps to fight diseases and prevents us from falling sick. See what are the important roles of these vitamins and minerals. Okay, small amounts, needed in small amount for the normal functioning of body and helps to fight diseases and prevent us from the falling sick. And in which fruits or which items is this vitamins and minerals contains? They are in fruits, vegetables, fish, egg and milk. Okay, now we will turn to the next topic, that is balanced diet. So what do you understand by this balanced diet? These balanced diets play important role in our day-to-day life. A diet that contains adequate amount of different components of food along with roughage and water required for the healthy functioning of our body is called as a balanced diet. Every day you eat all the things, that is nothing but it is your balanced diet. Okay, which contains adequate amount of different components of foods along with roughage and water required for the healthy functioning of the body. It is called as a balanced diet. See, every day you take breakfast, in the afternoon you take lunch, in evening you tea time, and at the night dinner. This all comes together to form a balanced diet. But always remember one thing, that along with these food items you also need water. Water plays important role. Okay, without water, it is very difficult for us. And also, roughage plays important role. Means during this balanced diet, you need different components of food along with roughage also. Roughage and water. Water also is important. And roughage. What is this roughage? So first of all, we are going to understand about what is meant by this roughage, which plays important role in the balanced diet. So roughage is the undigested part of the plant food. See again, the roughage is the undigested part of the plant food. It helps in moving the food easily through our digestive system and in proper removal of waste from our body. See what the important uses of roughage. What is roughage? It is the undigested part of the plant food and it helps to move the food easily through our digestive system and in proper removal of waste from our body. So this roughage plays important role in our daily balanced diet and also water. As you know, water is a medium for transport of nutrient inside our body. It allows food to pass easily through the digestive system. So we should drink plenty of water and include foodstuffs containing roughage in our diet. So you understood what is meant by balanced diet? A diet that contains adequate amount of different components of food along with roughage and water required for the healthy functioning of body. It is called as an balanced diet. And what is roughage? Roughage is the undigested part of the plant food. It helps in moving the food easily through our digestive system and in proper removal of waste from the body. Now we turn to the last point of this lesson, that is deficiency disease. So what is a deficiency disease? Yes, a disease that occurs due to the lack of nutrients over a long period of a time. It is called as a deficiency disease. See, some nutrients are not go through our body for a long period of time. So the condition is become very critical. So lack of nutrients over a long period of time, it is called as a deficiency disease. That's why we want to eat all the things including carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals and proteins. All these nutrients should be go inside your body for the all well-being of your body. Okay, so the deficiency disease means it occurred due to the lack of nutrients over a long period of time. It is called as a deficiency disease. So finally, if we see this chart, you can see clearly vitamins and minerals, deficiency disorder and symptoms. Vitamin A, vitamin B1, vitamin C, vitamin D, calcium, iodine, iron, and the deficiency disease, loss of vision, beriberi, squarey, rickets, bone, goiter, anemia, and symptoms. See poor vision, loss of vision, darkness, weak muscles, very little energy to work, bleeding gums, bones become soft, weak bones, weakness. So all these things are there. So that's why we want to eat all the things and absorb all the nutrients to our body. So we have covered all this lesson. We have finished this lesson. Now homework is that you want to write the exercise of this lesson number 2, components of food, by your own. And if you have any queries, you can ask me in the messages. Thank you.